Hello and welcome to the Quarantine Cookery Show with Tuhina and Mama. Today we are going to make mushroom tikka. Okay, so this is Tuhina. Tuhina, can you say hello? Hello, yes. And Tuhina is going to help Mama to make the mushroom. This is the mushroom tikka. So for mushroom tikka, we need dahi, ginger garlic paste, and can you show this, Tuhina? And we need turmeric, and we need chili, and we need garam masala, tandoori tikka masala, and we need lemon. Tuhina is huffing and puffing, but we'll go through that because this is quarantine fun. And we also need salt. Wait. And we need salt. Okay, let's start. We will start by putting some dahi in the bowl. Tuhina will help Mama to put some dahi in the bowl. And we need a bigger spoon for Tuhina. This one. And whenever Tuhina works on anything, singing and dancing is very important. So we are going to mix the dahi with some singing. Round and round the mulberry bush, the monkey checks the weasel. The monkey says it's all for fun. Good. Yes, that's good. That's good, Tuhina. See, Tuhina has mixed the dahi very well. Now we are going to put the ingredients. Yes, thank you, Tuhina. Now we are going to put some turmeric. Can you put the turmeric in the dahi, Tuhina? Yes, thank you. Then mix it. Mix it. Good job, Tuhina. And then we are going to put some red chili. Very good. Now mix it, Tuhina. Very good, Tuhina. Thank you. Good job. Now we are going to put some garam masala. Good. Very nice. Row your boat. Very good. Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And then we are going to put some salt. Thank you. More mixing? Yes, good job. Row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to roar. And now we are going to put some ginger garlic paste. Tuhina will help Mama to take out the ginger garlic paste from the bottle. And now we can mix it again. jar. And this is some tandoori chicken masala. I'll just put a little bit here. Can you mix, Tuhina? Oh, thank you. Let's mix it nicely. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. We can taste a little bit. A little bit more salt. And we also need some lemon. So Mama is going to squeeze some lemon. This needs a little more strength than what Tuhina has. Now we can mix it more, and we can have some other songs also. Three blind mice, see how they run, see how they run. See, now Tuhina is well settled with the cooking, and we don't need to sing any more songs. We'll resume the singing when Tuhina wants. Yes, now as you can see, Tuhina is ready for the next step, and we are going to put mushrooms in this dahi mixture that we have created. See, Tuhina and Mama, they have made this dahi mixture together. Okay, now, so I was cooking butter mushrooms, so we are only left with these many mushrooms. Try to have medium sized mushrooms. I did not plan ahead, so some are big, some are small, but these are quarantine times, so we'll have to make do with what we have. Okay, now let's put all the mushrooms in the dahi. One, can you pick them up, Tuhina? Pick them up. Okay, let me put everything together. Okay. And then we will mix the mushrooms with the dahi. Mama can do this for Tuhina because you want to sit here? Sit here. One of the mushrooms fell down somewhere. Over there. Okay. Now this is something that we selected a smaller bowl. We should have taken a bigger bowl for Tuhina. But anyway, I will help Tuhi in this thing. And you want to put your hands and mix the mushrooms. Yes. Okay. So see, we mix the mushrooms. And then we will put it in the fridge to soak all the spices for some time. And in the evening, we'll have the snacks, mushroom tikka. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this first episode of Quarantine Cooking with Tuhina. Tuhina, can we say bye? Bye. We'll be back very soon. Thank you.